Hey, what's up, y'all? Tyler here. It is 9:30 on Wednesday night. I'm working on this N64 here. He brought it in, already disassembled. He said it wasn't getting any power. So I cleaned the power jack for him, and that got it to where it was turning on, but the LED was not lighting up. Everything else was working on it, just the LED wasn't coming on. So I asked him if he cared about the LED. He said normally he wouldn't, but he wanted to LED mod it with a different color. So I told him, he said he'd like to get the LED repaired. So I said, all right, I'll keep working on it. So I started probing around. So the LED goes from here to here. Then it comes out the other side here. Then it goes here. And then it comes out and goes under this chip. So I took that chip off of a parts board so I could follow the vias. It came out right there. And then I guess it goes up here to I don't know. I started checking this stuff further on along the path and came to this, which goes under here, and then somehow it comes out through here, goes here, like that. And then that. So when I compared the other board, it was this part that was losing. Somehow that's where it was dropping off. So nothing there. So I tried running a wire from here to here. That didn't work. Of course, now it's getting continuity. Before it wasn't. But yeah, I tried running a wire from here to here. That didn't work. Then I tried from here to here. And that didn't work. So then I noticed here, let me show you the other board. So then I noticed on here, it's supposed to come out into this pin. So then when I checked on this, nothing. So since those other things didn't work on the bottom side, I'm just gonna jump to the next step in the chain and run it directly from here to here and see if it works. And when I was editing this, I noticed it kind of flicked off some solder, and there's this little solder ball up here. So I'm gonna make sure it's cleaned up before the guy picks it up. All right, she looks good. So I'll get that a little bit flatter if this works. But for now, let's test it out, see if the red light turns on. All right, we're back with the N64. I've got my jumper pack and game and my cables. Let's see if it works. All right, looks like we got it. a pretty cool fix. It's a pretty cool fix. Glad we figured it out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.